hold you down and you disagree. We've been on and off, you were never mine to keep.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel for part 2 of my fall clean and decorate. I have been having so much fun decking our house out for the fall months, and last week we decorated the kitchen and the living room, and this week I'm going to be working in the master bedroom and bathroom. And I'm always the most excited to decorate our bedroom because I love making it feel really inviting and cozy for all of the different holidays. But if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Lauren and I'm a 5th grade teacher in Arkansas. I love to make videos about cleaning and decorating and all things homemaking. So if you love those things too, make sure to stick around and subscribe. But let's go ahead and get started with today's video. I mentioned in last week's video that I love that deep rust color for fall, so I'm going to be using lots of that for the master bedroom. And I actually washed our sheets and duvet the day before, so they were ready to go. I'm not a huge planner when it comes to decor, but I do plan overall themes of how I kind of want a space to look. And I knew that I wanted lots of glowy, warm lights, and then that deep rust color incorporated throughout the whole room. And so I tried to add something that glowed or lit up on every single wall so that when we turned off the lights at night to watch a movie, everything would be really cozy and balanced. But the thing that I loved decorating the most in here was that new little fireplace that I just painted, and I cannot wait to show y'all what I did with it. I found those fall throw pillows at TJ Maxx this year, and that garland is actually the same as the one I used on the TV stand last week, and I believe I found that at Hobby Lobby or TJ Maxx last year, and I haven't seen anything like it this year yet, but it's still kind of early, so if I happen to see something similar, I'll definitely let y'all know. It's always hard to find a good fall garland that doesn't look ridiculously colorful and fake unless you make it yourself. But before we go any further, I wanted to stop and introduce you to Lorena. I am so excited to be collaborating with her today. She is also a dog mom and a teacher just like me, and she is from Texas. She will also be decorating for fall in today's video, and she has absolutely beautiful taste. So make sure to stop by her channel and watch her video and subscribe and let her know that I sent you down in the comments. And if you're over on my channel today from Lorena's, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to stop by. I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. Now I'm headed over to this little faux fireplace. I turned on a relaxing fall playlist with these falling leaves to kind of set the tone in here, and several people actually asked me last week in the comments how to do this, so I wanted to quickly mention that all you do is type in fall music on YouTube and tons of options will pop up to choose from. Last week we did the coffee background, and this week I went for the falling leaves, but this always adds so much to a space when you're just trying to set the tone for a new season. And for the fireplace, I just added some thin garland that I believe I got from Walmart, and a small white textured pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, and then this light up fall sign from Hobby Lobby. And I also wanted to add a blanket basket underneath the window there to make it feel really cozy, and I just found that orange plaid fall blanket at TJ Maxx. I just love the way that little corner turned out, and we actually turned on the movie You've Got Mail when I was finished filming on this night, and we snuggled up with some popcorn, and it was just really cozy and fun. My favorite movie of all time to watch in the fall is You've Got Mail, because when I was growing up, my mom always played that when she would pull out all of her fall decor. It's a huge favorite in our family. And if you have any good recommendations for must-see fall movies, definitely let me know what they are down in the comments below. I'm always looking for new stuff to watch. But now I'm working on our dresser over here. And for this, I really didn't have a plan, but I knew I needed some warm lighting on this wall, so I went ahead and added that glowy pumpkin from TJ Maxx. And then I just added an amber glass vase with some fall stems from Hobby Lobby, a little candle, and a homemade bead strand that my mom bought me from a vintage market that comes to town every year. And I think this area turned out really simple but really cute. I mentioned last week that my favorite Bath & Body Works candle during the fall is the scent Leaves, and I still absolutely love the scent Leaves, but I think I have a candle that I might like better than that one for fall, and I actually just found it at Hobby Lobby, and it's called Buttery Pumpkin, and it smells so stinking good, and that's the one that's lit over there on our dresser, and I just let that burn for hours because I did not want to blow it out. It smelled so good.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Now I'm headed into the master bathroom to add some fresh fall towels and some pumpkin decor and other little cozy and festive things in here. But I'm sticking with the dark rust color in here too, and I was so excited to find the perfect colored towels from Target. But first, I'm just wiping everything down with my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface spray.
Guess I finally learned my lesson, 'cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Myself, and I'm thinking out loud. We won't need nothing else for the rest of our time, and I know it so well.
I love to incorporate a little bit of amber glass here and there in the fall, so I decided to add some new soap in here for both sinks, and I just found those at TJ Maxx. And then I'm just going to take this big glass jar and fill it with some metallic pumpkins and gourds and pine cones, and I wanted to incorporate a little tiny bit of orange amongst all of the dark rust, but not too much.
Oh, my sweet baby. All the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I found this really pretty little fall wreath in the Hearth and Hand section at Target. I think it was like $10, and I'm just going to add it over there to our little window frame above the toilet.
We don't need no more, even in the hard times. You and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
This tub always just kind of sits here and collects dust until I use it like maybe twice a month. So I'm just going to give it a light wipe down with my apple cider spray, and I would really love to fill up a basket of some Lush bath bombs that are scented for fall, but I haven't had a chance to go get those yet, so for now I'm just going to add a fall candle and a small pumpkin to give it a little fall touch. I love the way that everything turned out. It's really simple but still really festive and fun for the fall months that are quickly approaching. And I've added a few decorations over in our office and our guest bathroom too, but I'm going to show all of that in my fall home tour here in just a few weeks. So that's it for now. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Make sure to stop back by next Sunday for more fall homemaking. We're about to have to start nesting around here because we have so much that needs to be done before Little Dude arrives, and hopefully we can get it all tackled before November. But thank y'all so much for watching today, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Bye!